Hello everyone, сіздермен сымбат Самат. Бүгін бізде 9-шы сыныптың ағылшын тілі пәнінен 2-ші тоқсандағы 1-ші БЖБ-сі БЖБ Earth and Our Place in It бөліміне арналған. БЖБ-нің 1-ші тапсырмасы listening. Listen and circle the best answer A, B, C or D. Аудионы тыңдап, тест түрінде берілген сұрақтарға дұрыс жауап беру керек.
Climate change has been in the news for years. But what is it? And how will it affect us? To understand climate change, you first need to know about the greenhouse effect. The Earth gets heat from the sun. In the atmosphere, greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide trap this heat and keep it from escaping back to outer space. Trapping some heat in the atmosphere is a good thing because it keeps the planet warm enough for us to live. But there's a problem. People all over the world are adding extra carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. That's because today we burn fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas to do many of our everyday activities, like driving our cars, using our computers, and heating our homes. All of this extra carbon dioxide is trapping more heat in the atmosphere, making the Earth warmer and causing other climate changes too. The signs of climate change are all around us. Temperatures are getting warmer, giant ice sheets are melting, and the oceans are rising. In many places, flowers are blooming earlier, snow is melting sooner, and birds aren't flying as far south for the winter. So why does this matter? Well, if the planet keeps getting warmer, we can expect more powerful storms and more flooding, droughts, and heat waves. And these changes could cause additional problems, like the spread of certain diseases, more wildfires, and food and water shortages. Climate change could put entire ecosystems, like coral reefs, in danger, and many plants and animals could become extinct. The good news is that we can take action. We can put less carbon dioxide into the atmosphere if we generate electricity from clean sources, like solar and wind power, instead of burning coal, oil, or gas. We can also drive less, use public transportation, and choose cars that go further using less gas. And you can do your part. Reduce your energy use by turning off the lights, the computer, and the TV when you're not using them, and walk or ride your bike to work or school. By making smart choices and working together, we can make a difference.
БЖБ-нің 2-ші тапсырмасы speaking. What have people done to save our planet? Адамзат біздің планетамызды сақтау үшін қандай іс-әрекеттер жасады? Answer the question and make a mind map on a poster in 3 minutes, and then you will have 1 minute to present it to the whole class. In your speech, you should organize your ideas in a logical chain, connect your ideas using appropriate linking words, use topic-related vocabulary. Яғни, біз плакат дайындауымыз керек. Осы планетаны сақтау, біз планетамызды сақтау үшін қандай әрекеттер жасадық деген сияқты тақырыпта плакат дайындап, соны сыныпқа таныстыруымыз, түсіндіруіміз керек болады. Ендеше осы сұраққа жауап беріп көрейік. Over the years, many efforts have been made to save our planet, focusing on preserving the environment, reducing pollution, and combating climate change. Here are some key actions taken. Renewable energy adoption, solar power, wind energy, hydroelectric power, geothermal energy, biomass. Recycling and waste management, recycling programs, reducing plastic use, composting, zero waste initiatives. Reforestation and conservation, planting trees, protecting endangered species, wildlife conservation programs, establishing protected areas and national parks. Sustainable agriculture, organic farming, crop rotation, reduced pesticide use, regenerative farming practices. Green transportation, electric vehicles, bicycle-friendly infrastructure, public transportation improvements, car-sharing programs. Legislation and advocacy, environmental policies and regulations, international agreements like the Paris Climate Agreement, grassroots environmental movements, corporate responsibility initiatives. Education and awareness, environmental education programs, public campaigns about sustainability, promoting eco-friendly lifestyle.